If you want to make sure important files are always protected and accessible from any device, knowing how to back up your folders in OneDrive is a must. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically safeguard your documents, photos, and any other folders by syncing them to the cloud, and you'll finally have peace of mind if something ever happens to your computer. Let's get started. First, let's open up your OneDrive settings. Look down in your Windows taskbar, that row of small icons in the lower right corner near your clock. You'll see a little blue cloud icon, which is OneDrive. Click on it, a small window will pop up, and in the corner there's a gear icon labeled Help and Settings. Go ahead and click on that, then let's select Settings from the menu. If you don't see the cloud right away, it could be hidden in that little arrow that says Show Hidden Icons. Just click the arrow and it should appear. Sometimes all these tiny icons can blend together, so don't worry if it takes a second to spot it. Now that you're in the OneDrive settings, you'll notice several tabs across the top. We want to focus on Sync and Backup, so find that tab and click on it. You'll see a section for managing your backup. This is where the magic happens. Click Manage Backup. This brings up a clear list showing your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. These are some of the most important places we store files, and backing them up means even if your computer has a hiccup, or let's be honest, if you drop coffee on your keyboard, your files are safe on OneDrive. You'll see a toggle switch next to each folder. All you need to do is switch any of these to on. For example, if you turn on Desktop, every file on your desktop will start being copied to your OneDrive automatically. This is especially great if you tend to save things there for quick access. Go ahead and choose which folders you want to keep protected. You don't have to back up all of them, just pick what's important to you. If you're unsure, I recommend at least Documents and Pictures. It's one less thing to worry about. Once you've selected the folders you want backed up, look for the Save Changes button and click it. OneDrive will start working right away, moving your chosen folders into your OneDrive cloud. Depending on the amount of data, this might take a few moments, especially the first time if you're backing up a lot of photos or large documents. Don't worry if it isn't instant. You can keep using your computer while OneDrive quietly does its thing in the background. But what if you have other folders you'd like to back up, maybe a projects or schoolwork folder that isn't part of the basic set? That's easy too. Open File Explorer, the little folder icon on your taskbar, and find the main OneDrive folder, usually named OneDrive, your name, and your user profile. Anything you put in this folder will be kept safely in the cloud and in sync across devices. All you need to do is drag and drop or copy and paste any other folder straight into your OneDrive folder. For example, if you have a folder called Tax Documents on your desktop, just grab it and drop it into OneDrive in File Explorer. OneDrive will pick up on the change automatically and start uploading everything right away. It's like having an invisible assistant, quietly keeping all your files up to date and safe in the background. With these steps, your important files, photos, and custom folders are now all backed up to OneDrive. If you ever get a new computer or need to access something on your phone, you'll be able to find everything in a couple taps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy backing up.